I know you must have eaten a wide variety of stuffed parathas. But what if I tell you this paratha is going to be an ultimate treat, especially for the sweet lovers? Today, on Mother's Recipe, let's make sweet, royal and mouth-watering Mawa or Khoya Paratha. So, we'll begin by grinding half cup sugar to make it into a powder. Let's grind the sugar. If you already have powdered sugar in your kitchen, you can skip this step. It has to be ground into a fine powder. Let us take this out. Now, 1/4 cup pistachios. We will grind it into a powder just like the sugar. The pista flavor blends beautifully with sweetened mawa, making our parathas rich and royal. Make sure it's ground fine like this. Pista powder is also ready. Now, let us turn on the flame to prepare the khoya filling. In a pan, let's add 200 gram mawa or khoya. You can easily get this in the market or you can make it at home too. In case you want to know the recipe, do let me know in the comments section and I will make that for you too. Let us roast this on low flame till it turns golden brown. Just make sure you keep the flame low or else the mawa may stick to the pan or burn. After 10 minutes of roasting, our mawa is cooked. Add half a cup powdered sugar and pista powder. Now, half teaspoon cardamom powder. Let us mix it nicely. For 5 to 10 minutes, we will cook this on a low flame. The sugar should melt completely and the filling should become soft like a pudding. Keeping this aside to cool down, till then, let us make the paratha dough. 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon ghee. Mix this nicely. Now, add water in batches and knead a soft dough. Dough should not be hard like we prepare for the puris. It should be soft like we make for the parathas. I am adding 1 tablespoon of desi ghee once again. Knead a little more. Let this rest for 10 minutes. 10 minutes are up. Now we will roll the parathas. Shape the dough into small round balls. Now roll a puri size roti. Stuff 1 teaspoon of the filling. We will seal it like this. A very important tip. Never stuff the hot filling. Let it cool down nicely or else your parathas will break. Dust some dry flour. Roll this gently. Do not apply a lot of pressure. In this way, your parathas will never tear. Same way, we will make the rest of the parathas. All our parathas are rolled now. Let us turn on the gas to cook them. Our tawa is heated. Take some ghee and apply it on the sides. Now apply some on the top too. Ghee enhances the flavor beautifully. Look, this is cooking up so wonderfully. This way, we will cook the remaining also. Our sweet Mava Parathas are ready. So, when you have a gloomy day to beat, enjoy this recipe as a quick, sweet treat. Eat well, live well, and stay blessed.